so this is what I'm gonna do. Hi, welcome back. This is the second part of the first grocery haul, where I got the meat and we are going to prepare it for the month. And Lady is still excited about her treat right there. So we're gonna start off with the pork. This pork is $7.20. Now, we all know Kilo likes thin meat because he likes it nice and fried.
Can I eat
yeah. And you can have some ramen.
ramen?
He likes it nice and dry, and the thinner the better for him because he knows it's really cooked. So that's no problem. He wanted to buy those really thin pork chops, and I was like, no. We're gonna get the loin, and I am going to slice it myself. That's how it works. He doesn't know that because he doesn't know that I do that. Can you let me make my video, child?
What?
Let me make my video. Stop interrupting me.
Oh my.
Okay, so alright, so I have the freezer slider bags from Hefty. And I'm gonna do it by meals. These are pretty big. Okay. Well, no they're not, but that'll work. So
These are pretty big, no they're not.
I don't know. So I'm gonna take 4 out. Hopefully I can make 4 dinners, 5 out of that. So we spent about $260 today, but I'm gonna make it work. So this is what we do. One down. Chicken. Next up is chicken. We know cross-contamination, ladies, right? Right, Kilo?
Yeah, baby.
Can't have that. I already know how much I need for a meal, so this I'm cutting up for some meal that I'm gonna make. I really don't have to cut it now, but I'm gonna. Stop it! Stop! It's just them outside. This could be for some chicken and broccoli casserole or something. These are chicken thighs. I'm gonna separate those. Now this is the beef that I got for $8. Originally $12, but it needs to be frozen today. So ten, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So we have 20 meals right here that will be including meat. There's all the ground beef. Here's all the chicken. Here's the beef right here. And then there's the pork. Then, I don't know if you guys know, but corned beef is a whole meal. Corned beef, which you eat with a little, some rice. We have some things of, we got a couple of these because I always stack up on corned beef because that's protein. I can't really eat it because the salt intake for me. So we got that, and we got the lunch meat, which I will make macaroni and cheese and fry up some Spam and throw that in there. Also, we already have what we still have in the freezer, and we have hamburgers. We have some steak here, and we have more pork chops. And of course, we have hot dogs and whatever else I have in here. So, and some Hot Pockets. So, that, my friends, is with $200. Mind you, we did get some. Always keep rice on hand, always have potatoes, always have ramen, always have, you know, your necessities, and you'll be good. That's what I think. So, with that being said, I will be seeing, I made ground beef the other night when I made my patalillos, and I saved some of this, which now we're going to use this, and it's already cooked. It's already prepped. And I have white rice that I'm about to utilize and not throw away by making some rice pudding. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Pinch a penny, guys. Keep pinching. Why waste? Like, Kilo was like, oh, we should get these, babe, what did you want to get? What did you want to get? You said let's get some waffles, right? He wanted to buy the waffles. Can you help me figure out how we can put this in there? He wanted to buy the waffles, and I was like, we got a waffle maker. Why would we buy waffles? I'll make a bunch. I could put them in these bags, and you take them out, you put them in the toaster just like you would with the other stuff. So that's what I plan on doing. So yeah. That's what the dilly is, yo. That's what it is. That's what it be. That's what it look like. So, I'm gonna say I did pretty good with everything that I was able to get with my... I think if we only bought meat, it probably would have been about... I don't know. Everything was like $6.
Like meat?
Yeah.
Like with meat, you probably only spent like $75.
75, you think?
Maybe a little bit more than that because it's meat, but
Yeah.
anywhere from 75 to like 100.
I don't know. I could check the thing. Let me see. Let's look. Let's see here. Oh no, that is okay.
That's a lot.
So we spent about $100 on all that meat. About $100 on all that meat from Stop and Shop to Walmart. And got 18 dinners out of it for a family of
5, 4? 5.
Yeah. Yep.
Right? So that is good. Have you seen all that meat? And you know, once you prepped it up, like you said, that's
We smart now.
so now let's see how long it lasts us. Because what you think? This should last a whole month with this right here.
I can make that last the whole
You know what
month.
I'm saying? So that should be our goal. And then we have enough for milk, because milk's a little expensive every once in a while.
Yeah.
But milk is used for everything. You got your mashed
Right.
potatoes, you use milk.
Yeah,
Macaroni
so-
and cheese, you use milk.
So whatever's left, we'll just have to get like the odds and ends. Maybe more rice. Maybe some vegetables. We didn't really get much vegetable. Or any fruit. So we'll have to go back. Today it was like really pure necessities that we needed, and anything else. I mean, I could go to the store in a couple days or whatever and get like fruit, like bananas and whatever else we need. So
Yeah.
we got canned fruit, but it's not the same. But you know, we still got an apple in there that nobody ate. All right, guys. So that's about all she wrote. I'm tired. I'm ready to relax now. And until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. I love you long time.